No. You usually inform me whenever you want to come and visit us. But this time, I am surprised you didn't do it.
Ikusigo?
Yes.
Have you finished?
Oh,
Nah, let me ask you a question.
Go ahead.
What am I to you? Onyakambu.
Kabu di ajudanka.
Zanyan.
You are my mother-in-law, of course.
Let me ask you the second question.
Go ahead.
Is there any part of the tradition that forbids a mother-in-law from visiting a son-in-law?
Mama, this is not what I
Oh. So why are your socks getting bigger than your shoes? Zakena munka.
Oh, one day. Mama, what anything? Nothing. Nothing. Yes, nothing. Hey.
ABC, there's no reason.
Hey.
Your own chapter has been closed. Keta, let me open my own chapter. Kanjukwai. Who are those fibroid and cancer that you put inside your house?
Mama, I have no fibroid nor cancer in this house. But if it is my wife and daughter you are referring to like that, I won't tolerate it.
Oh, my friend,
Kawayon.
I want you to understand something. When fibroid is found in a woman's womb, it is cut off by the doctor. The same applies to cancer. If you find cancer in somebody's body, whether cancer of the eye, of the breast, of the leg, of character, that one too is destroyed. Now, those two diseases inside your house will leave this house with immediate effects.
Stop it! You have no right to drive my wife and daughter away from my own house. Why?
Your house?
Before Uncle.
Did you say your house? Hey! Hey! When you married my daughter, you did not even have a cage to call your own.
What is a woman?
Then you married my daughter. Oh, well, I can't Chioma Chukwu. Where better na bay? Then things started happening. Then you people built this animal house. Eh? Then you connived with those forbidden demons to kill my daughter and bring them into this house. In your house.
No. I have buried the war in my family. So don't come to murder the peace that have been born.
So my daughter is the one in this family. My daughter one. Peace. Peace with this fair woman. This fair witch. And you know fair witches are very wicked. Because they are very fair and very rare. If you're a black one, that fair witch is the one that has brought peace up here. They are leaving this house today.
No, Mama. Never.
It's a never.
It won't happen.
Come and catch blue more.
No, don't cause trouble in this house. That cause lots of blue now.
One week from Bahala, Abusokonoka. Family Mazindoka, Lepenogo, Bonubiaba, getting Afya, Abusokonoka. Ezeonu Mazindoka, Ogoponoko number. 1 week from Bahala, Abusokonoka. Family Mazindoka, Lepenogo, Bonubiaba, getting Afya, Abusokonoka. Kedife Pataluya, I don't know. Aboginess, I don't know. I don't know.
You have killed my daughter. Now you want to come and take over her husband. It shall not work.
Nemolu, you just spilled my pot of beans.
I will spill your blood. What is what? What is what?
Chineke, Mama, what?
This witch.
Don't call my wife a witch again.
So what should I call her? Why Tamosu?
Mama, don't even think it. Don't even try calling my mother Amusu for.
Oh, Chalupa, you're not even ashamed of yourself. Instead of you to go into the bush and look for who your father is. If you ever, you're here talking to me anyhow.
Respect to old age, Joe. Respect to old age, Joe. I will make you. Kpesara, please. Don't you ever talk back at an elder again. Don't get it. Look at the pot of beans. Don't talk back at her. Let
her talk back at me. It's only us. No home training. It's only us. You are
getting on my nerves.
Shut up! Ifroi is the remote control in between your legs that is making you just go wow everywhere. And that's for girl. That is what you used to catch this man. If you let them but let me tell you, you will leave this house dead or alive. Don't even touch me.
I will not tolerate this. I am the captain in this under this room, and nobody has had to take decision over me.
Hey! Go beans. Mama, you would have allowed me to be with this old woman. Never! Mama, you will not pack the beans. Never! Come and pack the beans, oh! Never! Okay. Mama.
That is why I've not been coming for the lessons.
I see. You're right. If you don't protect what your mother left for you, who will? You must fight them till they find their way out of this house. Nonsense. The whole villagers, both the youths, are right behind you.
Thank you.
But wait, come to think of it, my friend. Why do you still squat those witches in your house? Listen, back there, think. Throw them out.
Don't worry. A plan is on its way. Sooner than you think. Oh, my grandmother is even around now. Yes. Did she come with you? Yes. She has coined out a method with which we will use to evict them.
Let them go. Let them leave your house.
Nonsense.
These are Dabere's clothes on the floor now. Mama, leave them. Leave the clothes there. Don't touch that witch's clothes. Can you?
The witch.
Hey! Jesus!
Come and see.
Where did you take my dress to?
Hey, Mama!
Question.
Hey! Mama! Hey! What are you doing in my dress, you witch?
You are the witch, and your grandmother is the witch.
Witch!
You are the witch.
What is it? I saw this white witch sneaking behind to hang my dress back on the rope. I don't know where she's coming from with that dress. Hey! Where did you take my dress to? Witch!
When we came here, we saw her clothes on the floor. I decided to hang them back on the line. Mama, why are you explaining to them?
Calm down. Tell me exactly what happened. Did you see this woman hang my daughter's clothes on the line?
Yes! We saw her. She took...
Hey! You killed my daughter. Now you want to kill my granddaughter. You want to suck her blood up here. Get out.
I don't know.
Obim, no.
Udodikwa, why are your faces like this? What's the problem? You are wearing long faces.
It's nothing, no.
Hey! I knew she would not tell you the truth. Oh! Kangwazia, let me tell you what happened. These domestic witches you kept in this house, they took my granddaughter's cloth, took it to the medicine man, so that they could do some magu-magu with it. Some young girls caught them and gave them the beating of their lives. Moabifa, Nemolu, I summarized the beating.
That can't be true. Did anybody harass you today?
Chineke, Nakako beating in Nako harassment. And I will continue to beat them until this one, and this our one dear daughter, pack their things from this house and get back to the jungle where they belong.
Mama, why now? Why all these troubles, eh, Mama?
Akubudo, if you just in Zuska, you, I am telling you that these two want to kill your daughter. In Oleba Najum, why? Akubudo said.
Mama, you cannot be telling me this about a woman I know too well. Eh?
A woman you know too well. Let me explain to you. Just tell her to open the back of that cloth. Let her show you her back. You will see where and spat the thing out. As for this little one, my daughter Dabere used her nails to give her an octopus network on her back. Let them show you.
Maggie, did you fall out with anybody today?
Obi, forget it.
Forget what? Tell me the truth about what happened. Eh? Look at what she's saying. And you are saying, forget it. Look at your faces. What can we have about the situation?
They insisted that we mustn't cook in the house. So Kpesara and I had to go out to eat. When we came back, we saw Dabere's clothes on the ground. I decided to help hang them back on the line. That was how they started accusing me.
Maggie, so you actually told me a lie?
Onya nasi! All she has told you is a lie, but there is some truth in that lie. You see why I've been telling you that we need to cooperate. And give these people the beating of their lives. You will see the truth about how my daughter died will come out.
Maggie, so you could tell such a blatant lie?
Papa, Mama is not a liar. She just doesn't like grumbling to you all the time. After all, I've told her to report to you how Dabere and her grandmother always maltreat us each time you're not around. But she likes keeping everything to herself. Mama, did I not tell you not to touch that devil's clothes?
Shut up!
Don't tell me to shut up again. I will not shut up.
You're not my mate. You're not my mate. What rubbish? Those are the people you brought into your house. White witch.
Dinian, move inside. Move in!
I'm not going anywhere. Let them go.
Will you get up there?
I don't know. I don't know. Fire the Panama, I don't know. Abogini be far. Ogo be care. I don't
know. Ever since I lost my wife, you have been through a lot. Looking at your age, you are not supposed to have lots of worries and stress. And of course, for the baby that you are nurturing, there are certain things that are not healthy for you.
Akubudu.
Yes.
Why all this disco dancing with grandma? Why don't you just go straight to the point so I can go inside and sleep? I need to sleep very well because of tomorrow.
I am trying to quench the fire that started in my family. And to do this, certain unpopular decisions need be taken.
Akubudu.
Yes.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, go ahead.
You're a vulcanizer, right?
Yes.
When people come to your workshop to fix their tires or tube, do you normally go through all this grammar before you get the work done?
Okay. I want you to go back to your home so that I can restore the peace that was murdered in my family.
Hey! Simple. I have heard you. Hey! Onya ke na agbanje ni na diki jalafu igwe nata. So Bwadiro, now I can go and sleep.
Okay. It's alright. Go and sleep over it.
I should go and sleep over it. Okay, but the problem I have is that I always take short sleep. And I can't start thinking over this thing when I'm taking those short sleep. But don't worry. When I am ready to think over it, I will let you know. Kachifo.
I still insist that the only way to solve this whole problem is to tell Dabere the truth.
Huh? I thought we have finished this. We have concluded this. What you are suggesting is practically impossible. Huh? It's impossible. Don't you think of the implications?
Nine. The crisis on ground is worse than whatever will become the implication. Please let us tell this girl the truth, Biko.
I accept. We are going to tell her the truth. Provide the third party. Yes, provide the third party. It was my late wife that suggested that we take the blood oath. And we all promise to keep the secret forever.
I'm sure the spirit of your late wife is seeing the war that is raging in her family. And I know she would want us to make the truth open.
Let's forget this and go to sleep. Huh?
Nine. Are you sure there's sleep in those eyes of yours? That will be an irony for a man whose house is on fire.
Maggie, what is it? Eh? You are saying we divulge the truth to Dabere, forgetting that she's not the only person waging this war. A blood oath sealed by the blood of three must be broken by the same three. Anything on the contrary means death. I don't want to die now. Chef Kenifan, let's go to sleep. Let me sleep in this house. How can I do that? Huh? What is Zulu again?
Hey, Akubudo Wana, my bosom friend. Easy boy, Kajawane. Aku. Akubudo, what is the matter?
My friend, my brother, I am trapped.
Trapped in what?
I am trapped. Hellfire has relocated to the center of my family.
Hey, Tofiakwa, I reject that for you. How can you utter such a condemnation upon yourself? I am sure I resolved the issue between Dabere and your new family. Did something else happen?
Joku, I know you have really tried for me and my family. If not for your intervention, the river of war in my household would have turned into an ocean of disaster. Joku, God will bless you.
Amen. What is the matter this time?
Dabere and my mother-in-law have refused to shift any ground. All attempts to persuade Nemolu to return to her own house is just like collecting water with a basket. Joku, please.
Is that why you want to think away your life?
She's even more desperate than my own daughter.
This is a small nut to crack as far as I'm concerned. Leave that to me. Tell you what, leave that to me, okay? Leave the work to me.
Joku, honestly, if you are able to help me out of this, trouble, please, only you.
No, do you have to beg me to help you? What are friends for? Huh? Consider it done. Consider it done. All right. I will see you later. Maggie, our wife.
Naijeku, good afternoon, sir.
Naijeku, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
No, sir.
How is the work going on?
We thank God, sir.
And how is the home? I hope ndị agbata osu adị anyị ezighi nsogbu.
Well, it's nothing I cannot handle. We thank God.
You thank God? For what? For all the fight? Uncle is a lie. He's a lie. But my mother has decided to take all the torture and insults from that small rat, Obelensia, and her grandmother, just like that. Uncle, I'm tired of watching them all. I am tired of watching them.
Did you hear that? Did you hear what your daughter just said? For crying out loud, Maggie, shine your eyes. If you cannot fight boxing, wrestle. If you cannot fight wrestling, taro, tuombo, fanchaso. Naya.
Uncle, God bless you. Chineke goziegi. Your uncle, ase na mbu nwoke. Anange, talk. Babiaya. Mama, tell her, even if she doesn't want to fight, let her clear the field for me. Let her give me the go-ahead order. After all, the sheep does not do paparazzi for the lion. Even if I see 20 of her, I will chop her and still be hungry. Again, do.
Bam. Hey, Agowai. You hear that? That is the morale. Maggie, shine your eyes before the thick darkness start to cover it. I come near Kwoku biting. I'm not chopping, sir. If you go, the difference between my husband's house and my son-in-law's house, the Caz Chidiebere. This is an elderly advice.
Mama, have you seen it? You have heard it from an elder's mouth. Because when I talk, you say I am a child.
Kpesara, shut up. Keep quiet.
Mama, I'm quiet. Have I been making noise?
Let us learn to tolerate whatever they do to us.
Mama, I don't even want to hear that word tolerate again. Please.
You will understand this thing when the time comes. I have my reasons of saying this. Biko, Lobolo.
Dabere Nwokoye. Dabere one.
Naijeku. Hey.
Oh, about him. Dabere. Have you sold that land at Umweke to Maggie and her daughter?
God forbid!
Hey, calm down, keep your voice low. You know I don't like gossip. I'm only telling you this because I take you as my daughter. So tell me the truth. Tell me the real truth.
Nai, what are you talking about? I did not sell any land to anybody.
Hey, so how come Maggie and her daughter harvesting on the land?
Hey!
Hey, calm down. I swear, if you see the two spirits, the way they are walking on that land, you will think the real owners are dead.
Naijeku, are you sure you saw them with your two korokoro eyes? Mama! He said, calm down. Hey! There is fire on the mountain.
Get the mountain one. Hey! Naijoku just told me.
Look, there's no time for that. There's no time for Naijoku said or Naijoku did not say. Take your cutlass and your machete. And we are going there now. You have to fight. You have to fight. Yes.
What's going on?
Maggie and her daughter are harvesting on that land, on your land.
Hey! Nebolu! Fire! Fire! Hey! Hey!
Yes. Tibonifa. Nonifa bako. Huh?
Ezeonu mazinduka ogogo n'ogo na mgba 1 week from bahala abusoko n'oka family mazinduka lekwe n'ogo gbanu biaba kini na-eme gini n'afia abusoko n'oka Ezeonu mazinduka ogogo n'ogo na mgba 1 week from bahala abusoko n'oka family mazinduka lekwe n'ogo.
What is happening here? What are you doing on my mother's land? What are you doing on my mother's land?
Ikanajufa, you people, get out of this farm.
They're still seated. Will you people leave here now before somebody turns into a football?
Dabere, they've harvested the yam. Put in the basket, put here.
What is that? What is that? What is that? Where are you going with it?
Don't touch my harvest, though.
I should not touch what? Do you not know that before a slave goes on an errand for the master, he will first seek permission? Onemaro, I have been giving you a very long rope. And that's an issue. You don't want to respect yourself. Okay, today, I will tell you, in fact, I will show you the beast I am made of.
Kpesara.
Mama,
just calm down.
Beast, leave her, Inugo. Mama, leave me.
Don't do anything stupid.
Oh, leave her alone. Leave her alone. Let me send this bone through it. This idiot. Let me give her a message to give to my mother. Hey, Mama, did you hear her? Coming from this small rat. Hey, okay, forget. If I do not teach you a lesson without mercy today, know that it's not me. Mama Cham knows okay. Mama Cham,
it's okay.
Mercy. What did you say? Yes, I will teach you a lesson without mercy. Me, a lesson without mercy. Oh, my home. Okay, you're not an owner. Come and show me the mercy. Mama, Mama.
Oh, Kpesara, calm down. Calm down. She's just drunk with ignorance. So she will regret her actions.
Mama, that's what you've been saying. I remember for what now? Mama, we need to fight, we need to fight. Can you hold it?
Calm down.
In fact, Mama, I don't know. You see that yam? Bring it back.
I don't know. I don't know. Fire the panama. I don't know. I'm gonna be far. I'm gonna be care. Can you fair Pataluya? I don't know. I'm gonna I don't know. Fire the panama. I don't know. You don't know. I don't know. Can you boss you the garden? Ezeonu mazinduka.
Your food is served.
Thank you, my dear. Hey.
Nwankwu, my son, here's your food, Eat your food and leave that poison.
I'll be okay with my wife's food tonight. At least I've eaten yours for some days now.
Are you okay? You expect your wife in the grave to come out and cook for you?
I mean, Maggie, my new wife. Can't you see she has served my supper?
Onyebuma.
Yes.
Your supper. This one is your dinner.
What? What's the difference?
I will explain. Supper is the one you eat early in the evening. Dinner is the one you eat at night. Just like this night, So eat this. Don't touch that poison cooked by that witch. It will kill you.
Oh, stop it, Don't address my wife like that unless you want me to get on your nerves.
Obi, people, take it easy. Just calm down.
Get on my nerves? Oh, Chalupa! Because I want to save you from supper that would kill you. Imakwana supper was what Jesus ate before he was killed by his enemies. Eh? Okay.
Molu, why did you throw away the garri I suffered to prepare for my husband?
Which husband? Crocodile tears. Which husband? The one you bewitched or another one?
Jesus Christ. Hey. Now I'm just beginning to realize the monster I've ignorantly accepted as a mother-in-law.
Oh, hi. You're just realizing. Oh, wow. Let me explain to you. I am a mixture of monster and demon. If you combine the two and put it inside the pot and put on the fire,
and you can't afford to face my wrath. As a matter of fact, you are leaving this house first thing tomorrow morning.
Biko, don't go that far. Eh? Two people cannot be mad at the same time, Biko.
You're the one that is mad. Look at this guy. You're the mad one. This is my daughter's house. My daughter's matrimonial home. I am not going anywhere. No running, no moving. Ever tempo. Gidiba.
Biko, allow peace to reign in this house.
If you want peace to reign in this house, you go in there, pack your things, carry that your daughter and get out of this place. Then peace will reign.
When the heart behind this flesh is revealed, your mouth will transfer the race now to your legs.
Akubudo, before you were born, Namolu, I knew the difference between men and men. Mbi, Akubudo ebu mbi, ntenesi sinyanya. When he came, start eating it now.
Just eat.
Never.
Nemolu has made up her mind to deny us peace in this house. Eat her food. Tomorrow is another day. No problem.
Never. I will never touch this food. Eat. Go and eat.
Mana, chakwa munti. Kangwa kwa chalukwa no kweba kangwa yino. Obidosia. This is chapter 1, verse 1. Nya agme bibia totolo gari idebe. Okay, be. Ndakwa sianya, he will eat it tomorrow.
Hey. Whoa. Finally.
Hope your hair is fine.
Gini, I love it. It is beautiful.
That will flatter.
Acting. I know you know how to make hair. Hey, do you know this my hair will bring customers for you?
Really?
Yeah, this one will sell your handwork.
You're making me blush, oh.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
That's right, no. Hey. It's 400 naira, yeah? Keep the change. You did a very good job.
God will bless you.
Home base. Wait. 3310. How far? Thank you.
Alright, now let me get to your attachment.
Let's start. I don't know why you took time to make that witch's hair.
Yeah, these are attachments.
Wait, now this is not the attachment I gave you now.
Oh, sorry. Are you sure you came with your own attachment? Because I can't find it inside.
Genekwa?
I can't find it too.
I gave you this attachment in the morning now when I was passing this place. Please.
came with this one.
Ini, you thought it was who? You thought it was my sister that came with it? Please, for peace to reign. For peace to reign, give me back my attachment. In short, I'm not doing again. Just give me back my attachment.
I'm sorry.
I'm not making the hair. What is your sorry?
I used it on your sister.
I have heard now. Come and give me back my attachment.
Okay, let me quickly take a motorcycle and get
It's not about taking motorcycle. You don't understand. I said I want my attachment. That particular attachment I gave to you. That is the one I want.
Hey, Pikonu, let me go and buy you another. Hey, Pikonu, let me go buy you another.
Come and give me my attachment. You didn't know.
Hell, you can't forget it. It's so beautiful.
Thank you. I know. And I want to carry the hair for 1 month. So start counting for me from today.
That means you have to be maintaining it, if not, we'll see.
Mama, trust me now.
Witches! Okay.
What is your problem now?
You see what you've caused?
Kpesara, I'm very sorry. I made a very big mistake. I used Dabere's attachment to braid your hair instead of your own attachment you came with. Biko, I'm very
Are you
sorry.
wasting time explaining to this idiot? To sell my attachment in Kita, Biko!
What did you just say? You used whose attachment to do my hair?
Please let me lose your hair for you. See, I'll make exactly the same style with your own attachment. Biko.
Ina anoka. You're wasting time. To sell my attachment in Biko.
Is it true? Mama, how am I supposed to know which one is the witch's attachment? Hey!
Hey! What did you do? You use this witch's attachment to make my hair? Are you mad? Okay. When she was making it, you didn't see it was not your attachment, Abi? You didn't see it? Come and losing this hair. Go.
How much is the attachment? Let me give you money to go and buy it.
I don't want that your evil money, neither do I want another attachment. I want this particular one on her head. This particular attachment. No strand must remain.
How much is the attachment? Let me give you the money.
You stole it, eh? You must lose in the hair. You see it here.
What is your business here? Were you here when it happened? It's a mistake. Why are you opening your mouth too wide for me?
You know, get Tosanya BC. Okay, can it for? Nemo, can it for? Bia Akamo Julo, you have to CBC. Mbobole, it don't come.
Mama, don't even say
Let us shame.
Mama, don't even say come with that come.
Let us shame the no, let them.
Which shame? Which shame? Who has the shame? The thief or the owner? We will appear on it. Okay, how losing this head because give me no strand of my attachment must remain on this head, and my attachment must not mix with her hair. That evil hair she has. Hey, out of Fianya. Okay. To sissy what the hair straight. Don't bend. These are the 2 goats. I hope they'll be good for your pepper soup business.
Yes.
Very good. Now you're talking. You don't have to fear. There's nobody at home. This is my father's compound. And everything under the roof and the surroundings belongs to me. Mama Dabere. I am telling you, take these goats.
Amamka, I know that.
Babu, you don't have to feel like a thief. I am giving you these 2 goats to boost your business. I've done my bit, but you must kill them today. You have to do that for me. Make sure these things are butchered today. Sunset must not meet them alive.
Sure, you see, this evening you will be in your father's house and perceive the aroma of this pepper soup, of this goat.
I trust you. The bad.
This evening. But how much shall I buy you for?
Babua, I am giving you goats. You're asking me how much? No, but Christmas and now you come here. Take time, take goat and do pepper soup because touch them well, you will see. Very healthy things.
Ayoma.
If you go near no.
You see, all the goats that I butcher in my pepper soup jars are all stolen. Sharp.
Hey, Babua! If you go very mal. Okay, sharp. Carry on, take over. That's what I'm talking about.
Ezeonu mazinduka, ogo namba. 1 week, 1 wahala, abusoko noka. Family mazinduka, living ogo, banubiaba. Gini neme, gini nafyo, abusoko noka. Ezeonu mazinduka, ogo namba. 1 week, 1 wahala, abusoko noka. Family mazinduka, living ogo, banubiaba. Gini neme, gini nafyo, abusoko noka. Kedi fe pataluya, I don't know. I don't know. Fire the panama, I don't know.
What happened to our goats?
Bow. What? They were here before we left now. Hey! Someone must have untied them now. Wait for them. They have untied the goats.
Who must have untied them? Did I send anyone?
No, but you gave them room to do it.
Them who?
Mama, do you think a stranger walked into this place and untied our goats? No. Oh, Mama, Mama, you are taking this fight too holy. Mama, let us fight this fight. Let us fight it once and for all and show them the stuff we're made of. Mama, Mama, if you keep quiet here, they will kill us or even cripple us. Get it for?
Kpesara, don't accuse anybody of an offense you're not sure the person committed.
Mama, who else do you think did it? Who do you think had the guts to walk in here and collect our goods?
Naya, we'll just go and ask them if they saw our goods. There's no point accusing anybody yet. Though,
Go and ask them yourself because I will not go with you. Get it hard. Mama, you are dulling me. You are dulling me too much.
Ezeonu mazinduka, ogo namba. 1 week, 1 wahala, abusoko noka. Family mazinduka,
Nwoke nwa we si nazo. Omam ya. Chineke me. Ima onye nna ibu. We turn na we put hey. We jiti. Ma no mbo aka bu sleep at self. Mo kwam comfy. We jiti. We tibie. We turn na ya up. Take ya for wonder. Ndị mmadụ na-eti asị ọkwa nwaanyị na-eti nwoke ife. Ife jikwa aka. Nyekwa.
Nemolu, I greet you. We came back from the farm only to find out that our goats are missing. So, if you can give us a clue.
Hi. So, it is my Nemolu that you are coming to ask for your goats. You didn't tell me you have started practicing animal husbandry. Ask her! Anwafia! So when did you turn me into an animal husband? Zakanem?
Nebiko, I don't mean any disrespect. Since both of you have been at home, I said, let me find out from you if you saw our goods. No.
Get out.
It's okay. It's okay. Let us go.
Go where?
Go where? They must provide the goat too. And don't share fire with the goat. I'm not going anywhere till they provide that goat. Hey! See 2 human goats.
Yes.
Looking for 2 real goats coming to ask human beings.
Like us.
What kind of madness is that? Eh? Do you not know how to go into the village? Go there and go and cry like your fellow goat. So that they will hear your voice. They go do that.
I teach you.
You will surely find Guinea. Mama, you are dulling me. You are dulling me. This girl is a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake. Mama, just allow me to deal with that. You can't do it. You
I don't know. I don't know. Fire the panama, I don't know. Abogene be far, Ogo Pano Bike. Kedife Pataluya, I don't know.
Hey! Outside! Maggie Buomo! Maggie asking. Maggie! Maggie has given me this house.
What happened?
You are still asking question. Come and taste your soup. Hey! Taste your soup. Hey!
What is happening, though?
Taste your soup. Come and take your soup. Hey!
Hey!
What poison did you put in my son-in-law's food?
Hey! Hey! Nwanka! You want to kill my father?
Hey! You said that we are going to regret this evening. So this is what you planned.
Believe me, I tasted this soup after cooking it. It was not like this.
Maggie, what did I do to you? That made you want to kill me, eh?
How many?
Just close your mouth.
Will you shut up your mouth? Didn't you see what your mother has done? Eh? So it's the plan of 2 of you to kill me before my time. Eh? Why?
I'm also
Part of evil part. What is this? That is what it looks like. I poured that soup away. You want to kill my father? Your evil plan will not work. It is you and your witch of a mother that planned this. Mind yourself. Look at them. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Kill her. Leave her alone. Leave me. Leave me. Let me teach them. They will not go free.
Shut up your mouth. Leave her alone to do what? Eh? To fight the one that knows that your mother did the wrong. Or your mother that wanted to kill me. I beg her or not, eh? We come. Then we come. They are
Don't ever. Let me tell you something, eh? Next time you talk to my mother like that, I will squeeze your mouth. I will deal with all of you. You that is running your mouth like.
It's about it, my daughter. When there is a division in the family, the sensible part will swallow her pride so that peace will reign.
For how long, Mama? How long are we going to fold our arms and watch them torture us in your husband's house, my father's house? Mama, this one is too much, Biko. They will come and eat themselves here. Then I'll pack it so I'll be a good person.
The evildoer will get tired someday, and that day is coming very soon.
Mama, before that judgment day will come, I will pass my own judgment on them. Okwifu Dabere and that her mother with her Oku Brusley. they will learn the lesson of their lives in this house. I am equal to the tax. Made it from mom.
Dabere Chukwu, you don't have to. Now that they are doing their own evil, nobody is seeing them. But if you retaliate now, the whole village will start talking. That is why it is always good to leave every circumstance to God.
Hey! Mama, don't even go there. What, Mama? Let them talk, oh. Who cares? They can talk, oh. Mama, I have decided to open a new chapter for them in this house. Okay, if Roku Bruce Lee, yeah, she will use that her same Bruce Lee leg to run away from this house. I will deal with that woman.
Dabere, you don't know what I know.
Mama, please, don't even start. Don't even say it. This is what you have been saying all this while, yet that thing you know is not helping matters. It's annoying.
It's a secret.
Mama, what can this secret that you have been hiding. What can I can know? What is the secret?
Wisdom.
Obiumuwa joka onye mamado obu ya na-egbu ya ama onye bụ onye ama nke onye na-eche mara n'iru ụgwọ mpete n'azụ ọkụwa si adịọ ojomuwa tụbọla m Amanjaneze Oko Wasiadio Ojomu Watubolamo Amanjaneze Oko Wasiadio Ojomu Watubolamo Amanjaneze
For the first time, I asked you to iron my clothes for me. And you want me to wear this on your service so that the whole congregation will see me from another perspective. Look at it.
Papa, true to God, it wasn't me that did it. I'm not the person that did it.
That is what scares me about you and your mother. Lies! Look at what you have done. Whom did I give my dress to? Iron. Give a Kenya, and then after ironing, then the charcoal came back. The charcoal came back and burnt my trousers at such strategic positions. Dikeh! Now you know what is Dikeh?
Papa, Ezeonu, somebody did this thing. The trouser wasn't like this when I finished ironing it. I looked at it.
Ha! Atrocities have made a safe landing in my house. Eh? Ha! Hey!
What is it? What is it? Why are you screaming?
My house has been turned into a field of tournament of wickedness.
By who?
By all of you! Yeah. All of you!
It's not also on that. Akubudo, what is it? Get it for? You evil child. What have you done this time around?
Naya.
Chima!
Look at it.
Hey! Hey!
Obi Mbiko, calm down.
No, Obi, which Obi? I no longer trust anybody's heart in this family. Huh? You people should leave me alone. Obi, Obi, Bronco. Naya.
Kpesara, why one?
Mama, it's you. Somebody did this thing. It was not like that when I finished ironing it.
Now, a ghost did it. A ghost leopard it. A ghost did it. On your sheer attachment.
You think I don't know it's you? Me. It is you evil child. And this your stupid grandmother with her evil Bruce Lee leg. I am very sure no lepu the trouser.
Padlock your mouth for you.
Nemolu, you can't was no marking. Eh?
Hey! Mama! Give me making it.
Don't you ever raise a finger on an elderly person?
Elderly woman. Nemolu, because you suck blood, eh?
Nemolu,
hey! Episode 1. This is just the beginning of your waka. I can tell you if you call your mom and to Nwankwu Bruce Lee.
Mama, she's still talking. You permission.
Look, for your own information, you and this your Bontroway, trouser lepuing, tearing daughter should pack your things and leave this house. Else, you both will be in for a very long thing.
Nemolu, go home. Nemolu will not go. Nemolu will not go. Margaret easy. Margaret agree. Kpesara and Dabere, the two daughters, they want to kill themselves. Hey, Jekwu could not do anything. If only Omuna can help me. Oh my God. What type of trouble is this? Anota wine can zuike o weje abuzi okpokuzu nyem. Ịnụtazi wine can zuike obuzie nsogbu nyere m. Mmangu mmiri dolu udu ana. Kitchen ogbachi di here. What type of trouble is this? I'm married to have rest. And I will not have rest. The woman will want to kill themselves. These children will want to kill themselves. I don't understand what they... Chineke me anu me Ebere no wanka. Amazim. Mwa chibuso one. Dabere na amazim.
Jeku, where are you hurrying to?
I want to go and see the woman for the intervention. Yeah, Kariana me ejuga wo no.
Hey, that will be the worst mistake you will ever make. Huh? Is it not the same Umona that kicked against your new marriage? The same people that wanted your Moses rod to remain useless? I tell you, Mbamba. Look, let me tell you, they will pieces your family that is already torn apart.
Jehu, this is the only way I am supposed to follow to solve this problem since it has gone beyond my control. That's the only way out.
Then you have to change technique.
Technique?
Yes. As you are watching from this side, I am coming from the other side.
Jehu,
how
do you mean?
You just pretend. You make it raw. Okay, Rota.
How can I pretend that I don't care when you and I know that I care? And you won't know.
Look, let me tell you. Once they see that you don't care whether they kill themselves or not, they will gradually withdraw. They will withdraw themselves and Imerie no more. It was okay. Biakanaba.
Jeku? All the Kwakezi okay. I will give it a try.
Yes.
Hey! Chai!
Nemon. Those are my eggs.
Onye pussy.
The eggs from my hen. Please give them to me. My hen is about to incubate them.
Oh, Chalukwa, the hen belongs to you. I own the cock. Who are the eggs supposed to belong to?
Here. Nemolu, my hen is about incubating these eggs. You chased it away and collected the eggs. Makagine kwano. Why?
Because the eggs belong to my cock. It was my cock that mounted your hen and made it produce the eggs. In what tradition has it been said that the woman is the head of the family? Look here.
Tradition Now what? Nemolu, please. We are talking about fowls here. Give me those eggs.
Come and take them. Biawelo. Makuboroyanya. Makuboroyanya. Nkubo 1. You will have 7 apples around the eye. After my cock labored and mounted your hen and it finally produced eggs, you now want to come and take the eggs, okay? Ha! Biawelo. Anamache.
Nemolina Chomoko. Nemolina Chomoko. You're giving me so much trouble in this house. You're pushing me.
Get up, pack your things and go. Pack and go.
Nemolina push me.
Let me tell you something. I will cook these eggs that my cock labored all his life for. And I will eat it while I am still alive. Why? Come on, look at your future.
Give me
my. Sheba poa.
Obiumuwa joka. Onyo mamado. Obuya nebuya. Amonye bonye. Amankonye neche. Mara niru. Wampete nazo.
What kind of a woman are you? See how you have messed my bed up with bedwetting.
No. Obim, I didn't do it.
That's the problem with you. You always tell lies about every little thing. Can a drop of spittle from your mouth ever taste true? Shameful wife.
When I saw it, I thought you did it by mistake.
Me? Maggie, you accuse me of bedwetting? You accuse me of bedwetting, Maggie?
What is it now?
Look at her.
Again.
Why
all the noise, What has she done again?
Look at her. Go in there and say how she has messed up my bed with bedwetting.
Bed guinea?
Wetting, bedwetting.
No wonder. You didn't wear your napkin last night, Ekwa? Hey, Papa. One day like this, I saw one very big, dirty brown napkin. I thought it was the wind that blew it into our compound, though. I threw it away.
Oh, so my wife wears napkin before she sleeps. Aro! Hey!
Dabere, You said you saw napkin.
Exactly the size of your bottom.
Don't mind her. She's lying.
Me?
I know they are behind all these problems.
Hey.
Away from my sight. Shameless woman. You shame me.
Hey. How can you be lying? Eh? In your family, one in your family. In your family, no.
Mama, at the market today, I was humiliated. Nobody welcomed me to their shop. Everybody was just hostile. Mama, you need to wake up and face this fight squarely. I know Raga will not help anybody. It will not help anybody.
Kpesara, it is not about fighting. There's more to it than you can see.
What can't I see? But what can't I see? Is it their hatred towards us? Or their evil plans against us? Which of them can't I see? Mama, wake up, oh! Mama, these people are so desperate that one day we will wake up and find ourselves in our graves.
Fighting is not the solution.
Then what is it about?
Peace.
Oh dear. Mama, how can you have peace without fighting for it? Is it possible?
Fighting can never bring peace. You can only achieve peace through a peaceful process.
You would have just said we should allow them to kill us, because I'm very sure that is your peaceful process, okay?
Kpesara Chukwu, what you don't know is bigger than you.
Hi.
Hey. Why did you?
Oh wow, oh for nata sisi mume.
Nemolu, please ma, I would like to have a word with you. Please, Nne, I'm sorry. If I have offended you in any way, ma, please forgive me. I understand the basis for your suspicions. Mana Nne, nokwana Chukwu amnefe. Niru Chukwu na niru mmadu. I didn't have a hand in your daughter's death.
Oh! Kedi Fodu! There is never peace in this house. What is it? If it is not one angu baying or bulo foke na macho toncho, no. Now there's a witch around and I can't even see it.
Nemolu, please. I don't want us to continue living in crisis. For this family to progress, we need to live in peace. Ne, Biko. If not for any other thing, for the fact that I am young enough to be your daughter.
Oh, so Ima, so you know that you're young enough to be my daughter, but you killed my own daughter. So that you can come and take over her house. Okay? Let me just tell you one thing. If you want peace to reign in this house, you go inside, pack your things, and that your 3310 child, pack her out and get out of my house. When you leave, peace shall reign. And you don't know When Kulubi woman have been one. Oh.
Since I was born, I have never hurt anybody. In whatever I do, I let love reign. It's not as if I am trying to praise myself, but I'm not a bad person. I beg you in the name of God, don't push me to change my nature. I beg you, ma.
Hey!
Pico.
Owanka!
Pico, ma.
Akoko Mike Jara. Ekosigo. Eme uleba nyamili. Keife neti. Ibuagui. You're telling me all these stories, okay? So that I can change my mind towards you. Ade nieme. Kan koziala ya akoko. You and your daughter will not sleep in this house until I make sure that you sleep in your grave. Ne usisi anyamili. I can't afford it. Makwa mega papa because I want to be out here alone. I need peace. Ono abuna papa. Can you even want na bed no? Bewure. On her bed. Oh no. Since you want to stay here, let me leave you and go inside. In short, let me carry my person.
Since you cannot bear me witness and the blood oath we took cannot be broken, may your soul bear me witness that I have borne enough of your mother's wickedness. My best friend, I know she's your mother, but please, help me to fight and win this battle. I beg you, my best friend, as a mark of respect to you, my best friend, I will sleep on your grave.
Ojomo watubolamo amandaneze. Oko wasadio. Ojomo watubolamo amandaneze. Oko wasadio. Ojomo watubolamo amandaneze. Obiumuwa joka.
Hey! Ome ikuku. Ikuku chukwu keleke. Nagasike. Unya. Are you sure you brought everything?
Hand turning over there.
Hey! Chineke! What is this?
What is what?
What is this?
You people kidnapped my mother since last night. And now you're burning her clothes. What are you doing there?
Fire!
What is... Mama, look at! Mama, just look at!
Hey! My clothes!
Yes!
This is war!
Hey!
War! Nkabro keep your man! I will kill you. I will kill you and bury you. In water.
Both of you have committed a crime that is absolutely unpardonable. How can both of you be so heartless to watch the baby roast, all in the name of fighting? Now tell me, amongst you, who is the tiger and who is Ogambazi?
Nani, Okwa this witch. She stood there and watched my baby roast. She pushed my baby into the fire. Onya Bamonsu, she allowed my son to roast.
Shut up, my friend.
Nani, forget. She's even insulting me in your presence.
Shut up!
Nani, no respect though. If you come out for me,
shut up. Nani, Riri. I came back home to see this woman, this Jezebel, setting my belongings on fire. I went to save my property, and she left the baby to come and fight me. Karibu, hey.
Onya asi, onogibo son sisi lelele asi. Nani, let me tell you what happened. This woman came, pushed my baby into the fire. You gotta go. Then I reached out to save my baby. She pulled me back so that I would not save my baby. Nani. That was how my baby got burnt.
Ina simpoto. Okinidinka.
Onya Bamosu.
Heartless and shameless women, you will pay dearly for this act of wickedness, whether you like it or not.
Nani, not me. She will pay dearly. Onya gaku go dearly. You will pay with your life.
Onye?
Nani, I used to think that witches were black, and I thought they were wicked until I met this fair one. The fair ones are the most wicked. Onya talamosu, tamyenya nime, odabe.
Ta mechiona musu, agadi amusu, oli nwanwa. Oli
nwunye mmadu, lie nwa, lie die.
Amusu.
You've succeeded in making Akudo very sick. Now both of you, go into that house and remove the whole of your belongings out of that house.
Now my husband's house.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere until I fry this one.
Come and fry me.
Come and fry me. Come
and fry me.
Nani, I'm respecting you. If you go, no, can you go? I'm respecting you, Nani. Because if hi. Nani. I will sit down. I will respect you, Nani.
Go back to your house. This is my husband's house.
You have no husband.
This is my husband's
This is my daughter's house.
This is my
daughter's house.
You have both succeeded in roasting my baby. The only gift my late wife left behind for me.
That witch.
You roasted my baby.
That witch that roasted my grandson.
It is you, old Jezebel, that roasted that baby.
You are a liar, a big fat liar for that matter. And you roasted my brother. Don't even raise that your short-called hand against my mother. Because if you try it, I will break it for you. Nigudonya. Keben kasi putakwa. That's him up, my friend.
Shut up, you fools! Shut up your mouths. You still have the guts to argue before me after roasting my baby. Now for your information, I don't want to see any of you in this house again.
Move
into that house and take everything belonging to you and leave my house now.
It's not going to happen.
My daughter was killed by these people in this house. My grandson roasted. I will not leave this house until I make sure that they are dead.
Ifogi, I will kill you. I will shed your blood in this house. I will shed it. Pack and go.
Yes.
Pack and go.
You're not going anywhere.
Pack and go.
And you,
I got this so.
Maggie.
Huh?
Move in there take every of your belongings and leave this house this moment. No.
My mother will not leave this house. She will stay here and see the battle to the end. Mama, you're not going anywhere. You see, this war has just started. It will not end until I kill 2 of you. In my family, both of you have woken up the sleeping tiger. And you shall not sleep until you dance with me in the jungle. Generation I will continue to bite you people until you pack and go. Until the entire village gathers here. I will not rest. I will remove your teeth one by one. Come and say it in my presence.
One day and kissing. And I'm at none of you will see my teeth until you're both buried in your grave.
I will kill you, and I will bury you with your teeth covered.
I will kill you and feed your carcass to the vultures.
Yes, at least the vultures will leave the bone. They will leave, but then you are dead.
I can delete.
If I won't go Bruce Lee, Bruce Lee. You look at my edge. You could get to a Bruce Lee.
I don't know. I don't know. Fire the panama. I don't know.
Jeku. The German calendar. No November, no December. Jeku. Adema. I'm on my way to your house. I was surprised about your absence in that meeting this morning in my house. I told you we were going to preside over that meeting, and you didn't come. Why?
Akubudo, I was just coming to your house to see you. You see, I had a terrible nightmare about this meeting. I was praying and the Holy Spirit told me and warned me not to step out until evening. As I'm talking to you now, I've not taken anything since morning. In fact, in my stomach, I have fat pimples now. In Kemara Abuba. Izubo Naya.
The meeting itself was a living nightmare. You would wish you never attended.
Hey, thank you, Holy Spirit. You know I'm a man of sincerity. I would have spoken the truth. Those witches that have hijacked your life would have dealt with me, would have so dealt with me in that meeting if I attended.
Well, Jobu, what will you do about the pimples in your stomach?
I think I will go and eat something. That will probably solve the situation.
All right, do take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Let me be going to my workshop.
All right, I will see you when I come back.
Adema, bye-bye.
You want to implicate me? Do you know how many time bombs I've set in your home?
Obiumuwa joka. Onyo mamado, obuya nebuya. Amonye bonye, amankonye neche.
This is your husband's house. No leave, no transfer. In a Chequano, no seek or where they be nature. You cannot live here. No speaking. Obido. I'll kill you. Why am I so too much? What to eat? I am older than you. Yeah. Respect your now you know. Now you know. It's not my game now. It's not my game
For a woman who wants my own brother before my eyes, this stay alive. I stay in my house. Azibakwa. That is impossible. I will kill her. If I can't kill her when she's awake, I'll kill her in her sleep.
Dabere of all people, when the news spread that your stepmother burnt your baby brother, everybody was shocked. I'm even surprised they're still in that house. Nonsense. You're both talking as if you don't know Dabere again. You don't know Dabere Chi again. You don't know what I'm capable of doing. They're only alive now to die later. I will make them suffer. They will suffer before I send them to their grave.
No, I support you. Make them suffer. As a matter of fact, when it's time for them to die, let them not die. Let them not die. Let them die hard. Very painful death. Let them know what they've done.
Hey! And if the battle is too big for you to fight, call us into the battlefield. We'll fight. Nonsense. Our blood is hot, very hot.
We will fight for you.
I have devised a means for them. What I will do to them, everybody, all the villagers, the neighboring town, when they hear, they will shiver. Is it not me again?
Yes.
Dabere Chi. Hey!
I trust you. How is your grandmother? How is she doing? Hope she has gotten over it.
I must congratulate you and your mother for waking up to reality. You see, by the time you know it, they will pack out. And you will start enjoying your new home.
I just don't know why my mother took so long to make up her mind, honestly.
Well, your mother is an angel. She's an easygoing woman. Yeah? That is why those witches took advantage of her. Yeah? But anyway, I'm happy that you have taken what belongs to you by force.
Uncle, I had not started though. Hey, Mbano. This is just the beginning because by the time I am through with them, yes, they will find comfort nowhere else but the grave.
Yes.
They will beg to enter the grave.
Yes. I trust you when it comes to war. I hope your mother is also getting hotter.
Hey, Uncle, that woman is no longer the mother that I used to know. She has changed. She has turned into a beast. Every minute of the day, her body is boiling for war.
Yes.
Hey, but I like it though, because she was dulling my swag before.
Yes, that's how it should be. Yes, even the Holy Book allows it. Since the time of John the Baptist, the kingdom of man suffered violence, and the violent take it by force. Yes.
The mother will stop at nothing to see them dead. I'm just regretting the baby that got burnt, that's all.
Well, it happens during the war. It even happened during the Civil War. I saw it at Ugoba sector. It's normal. But I wish it was Dabere and her grandmother who fell into that fire.
Uncle, it was no. Our problems would have been over.
Yes! Over. I have to go back now. I have to go and check my rabbit trap, huh?
Okay. This is a wild draw.
Greet your mother for me.
Okay. This is a
wild draw.
that? Who is that? Isikitia. Idiot. You want to shower, yeah? Wait, Berima. Wait, Berima. Is that your father's party? Come, if you do not return my clothes, thunder will scatter that your criminal eyes. Thunder, fire, Chagogitia. Come and take now. Come. Don't allow me come out of here. I've allowed you now. Come out now. Come and dance here. Are you not a mad woman? You said your madness is too much. Mama! In the public of Igwe mad, I'm you will die. You got one. Okay, here you go. Look at this mad woman that has refused to come out to dance naked. Mad women dance naked. They parabolate, move around naked. Mama! Mama! Enough. You put a gun fresh one. You need a brown one. You need more, eh? Hot bath. You need a oh, yeah. I got it briefly. You not respect yourself now, yeah? You not respect your body, yeah? You not. Hey! You need it. You are dancing. Oh, get it. They collected my clothes. Yeah. Dabere, give me that. Mama, you want to give it very light. Mama, what are you? Kpesara, wait. Let me bring another rapper. Whatever me woman. Onye bonso. Just pray that I don't come out of this place. Come on.
Ezeonu mazinduka, ogo na mba. One week one bahala, abuso konoka. Family mazinduka, nepe na ogo banugeba. Gini neme gini na fyo, abuso konoka.
So this compound can be this peaceful.
Finally. On the more
witches.
I should have gone fun.
Hey!
I can't come here and kill my daughter and stay with the husband.
It's not possible. Hey!
Did you stop that? I will kill you! I will scatter your waist! Go! Go!
Dance. And if I dance this etiri and you don't clap, I'm here. Dance. Where you? Etiri. Dance. Both of you. I said dance.
Here. 2. Here. 2.
Hey.
7.
Hey.
8. 9.
Hey.
I'm very tired. I want to go home. We don't need all this hua to kill those people. There are many weapons we can use to kill them. There are many ways to kill a rat.
For where?
Here!
Hey, Kem, look, before you were born,
On the instructions of Akubudo.
Maggie.
But warning you, he told me not to tell you.
Hi.
He told me not to tell you. In fact, he said I must not tell you.
Maggie.
But I am just telling you because I'm a man of peace and justice and fairness.
I have always known that. And I thank you very much. Ngozi.